Yo, what's good everyone? Today I'm taking you with me on a trip to New York City, home of some of the best hip hop the world's ever seen. I grew up listening to a lot of East Coast rap and eventually got placements with artists out there like MRG, but I want to see what other local talents there. I posted on my story that I'd be making the trip and an artist called Jay Savior hit me up for a session. He spits on drill, R&B, boom bap, everything, so I think the session could be interesting. It could go any way, but it's only right I show you some of the sights, the food, and a day in the life of a music producer. So let's get straight into it.
Cactus.
Okay, we've got some smoked salmon, avocado, sourdough, iced coffee. I like it's looking good, man. Okay, I've just come back to the hotel real quick because I'm meeting Jay Savior in just over an hour. I wanted to get a quick gym session in. This is the one thing I look for in a hotel, other than the location, whether or not it has a gym, because I want to keep up with my workouts whenever I'm traveling. This is a poor excuse of a gym, but it's a gym nonetheless, so we'll get it in. I'm here with my guy Jay Savior.
You know what we about to do? We're gonna show him a good time, man.
It's only right I linked up with another Jay. Even the engineer's called Jay. So yeah, it's about to jump on a hood trap beat, some melodic, like jazzy stuff, and then I think we're gonna make some hard shit after that, probably.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're about to make a super vibe. Keep in tune, man. It's gonna be fire, man. Keep in tune.
This guy doesn't even write either. He's just gonna jump straight in. 2 seconds loaded up the beat.
That's how we do it. It's all natural, raw. You heard?
Some of you guys might remember this beat from a tutorial.
Jay Savior beat. That's Jay.
That's the one he chose. You know we're doing it right.
Woo! Nigga about to have me on some other shit.
Look, I made this beat in a tutorial as well. So
you did?
Yeah.
Nah, what? With the log drum. Step out the big body, gotta flex. Step out the big body, gotta flex. Bad bitch does get wet. I don't give a fuck about the bitch. Yeah. She give me the neck. No going to test. And the bitch won't get upset. When I pull her, she getting upset. All my niggas, she up in the bed, she give me the head. She flushing it down if they calling the feds. Yeah.
I step out the big body, gotta flex. I got my ex bitch getting upset. I'm up all night and getting no rest. Cause I'm out here chasing a check. I'm watching the pool and I'm kicking my feet up.
She my senorita.
She up in the bed, she give me the head. She flushing it down if they calling the feds. I'm like,
don't worry, I don't got an issue. Know you fuck with me cause it's beneficial. Done what I've been through. When the vent to turned to a mess. I was sipping, smoking out the stress that I got left. To get nigga, I'm from the zoo. I'm turning them two from midnight to noon. She know what it do. I know what to do. She getting loose, you know what we do. Like it's nothing new. Ooh. Jay Savior, Jay Cactus.
Good now. All right, I like this loop. We could make something with this.
I fuck with this.
Or the other one. This one's hard too.
I feel like you like this shit right here.
It depends what we're making. Do you want something like that hood trap bounce, or do you want more drill?
You like this? Okay. I already know, I can tell.
I do fuck with this one.
Ride with this. I'm on Pisces, bro, so I be feeling.
Fuck with this type of bounce though.
I fuck with the bounce. I'm thinking about the melody. If like I could work on that. Yeah, it might be too much.
Woo! Did that one, yeah?
That sounds crazy.
Okay, yeah.
fast. Gotta go rock on my wrist and copping the Louis bag. I was just stuck in the X, I'm going on trips, and now I'm just packing my bag. I was just stuck in the X, I'm going on trips, and now I'm just packing my bag. I was just stuck in the line, security see me, and now they welcome me past. I was just stuck on paying for bitches, now I got one that she gave in the bag. Standing on top of my business, and niggas ain't
Fuck with this one a bit more. Melody, like the melody and everything.
This melody definitely harder with that.
Yo, real quick while we're working on the track. If you're an artist or producer releasing music on streaming platforms, you'll know how important it is to get your music on playlists. So I want to introduce you to today's sponsor, Playlist Push. Playlist Push helps you grow your monthly listeners and real streams by pitching your music to Spotify's top playlist curators. Now, I've always been a bit skeptical about playlist services because there's a lot of scams out there, but we ran a test campaign before agreeing to work together. We spent $500 on one of my own releases and got almost 10,000 additional streams, landed on an editorial playlist and almost 40 others. Plus my monthly listeners grew by 10k. You don't have to spend that much, I just wanted to make sure everything was legit. All you have to do is submit your track and they pitch to their huge network of playlist curators for you. Now of course those curators ultimately decide if they want to use the song, so the music has to be right. But if you want to push your track, just make sure you use the link in the description with the code JCactus15 to get 15% off your first campaign. Now let's get back into it. Might put like a few log drums in there, so I don't have to finish everything beat wise because we can just get the recording down and then I can fuck around with it after.
That's the same. That's what I'm saying. Both of us gonna do the same shit.
Yeah,
we lay down, and then we fix it up after. Because also too, I could go all that shit sent to me, sent to you, whatever, and we fuck with shit after.
You could always add to it.
Yeah, we fuck with this shit after. That shit sound crazy. Look at my bitch, she gotta be bad. I was just on my last, had to go back on my wrist and copping the Louis bag. I was just stuck in the X, I'm going on trips, and now I'm just packing my bag. I was just stuck in the line, security see me, now they welcome me back. I was just stuck on paying for business, now I got one that she get in the back. Standing on top of my business, fucking I'm moving so different. Came in last, doing the back. You did this shit in like literally like 25 minutes. I was watching.
Speed it through today.
25. Exactly what I was gonna tell you to do.
Yeah,
That's literally what I was gonna tell you to do.
Do you want me to just leave it looping for a bit if we write him?
No, we good.
We good?
Yeah, roll it up. You're ready
That's
to.
quick from you as well then, so you're ready as soon as the beat's done.
Yeah.
You're probably ready before that.
I usually don't like hearing the beat too much.
Yeah,
unless it's being made. If it's being made, it should be like evolving.
Yeah.
But like say it was like you just had the beat and you just played it, Matt. Like I hate that because then I lose all my ideas.
Yeah, of course, when you've heard it too much.
Yeah.
That was
like that
quick.
fucking fast. To be that high quality, where you got the you know, you make your sounds high quality before you even get them in there. But
it was easier once I've like made the melody before.
Yeah.
Because I spent some time with melodies, but I can do them fast when I need to as well. Just speeds up the workflow, doesn't it? If you can just bring in a melody that you've already made.
It's so weird because I watch so much of your shit. It feels like I already been chilling when you before. Like, because you explain it the same way.
Me talk so
you
much.
literally explain this shit the same way. You're like, yeah, you know, I went through when we go through it like this, blah, blah, blah. Like you explain it the same.
It's like a live tutorial now.
Facts.
It's mad, innit? Every time I come to a big studio, there'll be like mad interfaces everywhere, but I always end up plugging into a focus.
So this little shit, right?
I had to run it fast, just look at my bitch, she gotta be bad. I was just on my last, rocking my wrist and Louis bags. I was just stuck in the X, I'm going on trips and packing my bags. I was just stuck in the line, security see me, they walking me past. I got no problem with switching it up, the money keep piling, she picking it up. I can leave them in the past, smoking the way like a gas in my blunt. I put 3 digits on the dash, her waist getting slimmer, her ass getting fat. I cannot triple about a couple stacks, playing my Mac and I get this shit back. Miss Independent, she still got her own, I'm taking her shopping, she grabbing her. Shopping, she grabbing the phones, coming to stop it, she grabbing her. She grabbing the thongs, coming to stop it, she grabbing the phones. I had to run it fast, just look at my bitch, she gotta be bad. I was just on my last, rocking my wrist and Louis bags. I was just stuck in the X, I'm going on trips and packing my bags. I was just stuck in the line, security see me, walking me past. I'm stuck on paying for bitches, now I got money, she get in the bag. Standing on top of my business, fuck it, I'm moving so different. Can't be in last, I'm doing the bad. Same way they did me like that, I'm about to stacks, can never look back. I got away with this shit when I come through and hit it. Nobody could do it like me. I cannot play with this shit. I told her to listen. Nobody could do it for me. I'm at the table ordering drinks. I buy me a 1 and a 2 and a 3. Tipping away to all you can eat. Young niggas save it, signing a lease. I got no problem with switching it up. The money keep piling, she picking it up. I can leave them in the past. Smoke it away like a gas in my blunt. I put 3 digits on the dash. Her waist getting slimmer, her ass getting fat. I cannot triple by a couple stacks. Playing my Mac and I get this shit back. I got away with this shit when I come through and spit it. Nobody could do it like me. I need to find a bitch that could throw on a fit and don't have to anything free.
How long's the track right now? After that?
That's gotta be like 2:30, right?
Oh, maybe it's okay
It's
then.
long, yeah.
Yeah, if we doubled that up, a bit long. Yeah, then maybe that's cool then. Because the verse is kind of long, isn't it? So
Yeah.
I think we're good.
Yeah, cause that I come through and
It's
spit
mad
it.
how short tracks are getting these days. Like
Bro, this is fucking
20 years
ridiculous,
ago,
bro.
it was like 4 verses.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
now it's getting to like 1 minute and a
One
half.
fucking verse a lot of
Yeah.
times, and like an outro or
Yeah.
like bridge or something.
We could go a few different directions for this one. I mean,
Bro,
it's 140, so you could go Jersey, you could go that hood trap bounce, but like melodic hood trap in a way. You could
Yeah.
do something like that. I'll just fuck it.
And
I'll
then
add some shit and
do
we'll
some
see.
shit, and I'll tell you if I don't like some shit or whatever.
Okay.
Cause you don't have no, bro. You could tell me you don't fuck with my lyric, you don't fuck with what I said, you don't fuck with. You could tell me anything. All
right.
I would never be like, oh my god, Jake Cactus, don't fuck with my shit. You know
Likewise
what I
for
mean?
the
I'll just be like, yeah, exactly.
If I do something on the beat and you're like, nah, I'm not feeling
That's
it.
why I want to feel free to tell you the same, you know? Because, nigga, I use your sounds, bro. I learned from you, so I know you're the GOAT. You know what I'm saying? I'm just going to tell you what I fuck with, though.
I appreciate it.
Y'all hear me? I wouldn't have learned beats without Jay Cactus. That's real shit. And my
appreciate
beats,
that, man.
I got songs with 200K, 100K, 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 60K, 80K. I got a mad songs, all my beats with mad plays. But what that say, I'm certified. The people love my beats. The way I learned this shit was off my God. You heard?
It's wild to
I
hear,
watched a
man.
lot of tutorials of him, and like he didn't even know that when we got in the studio today. You feel me? He didn't know none of that shit.
Nah.
It sounds good with it because the melody's so like
Yeah.
fucking like happy and shit.
We could
Like,
start
it
with
dirties
that.
it up. Yeah.
True. Could start with that and then maybe swap it for just an 808.
It just be so crazy. Whatever you're doing, I love it.
I like that first part as well. I haven't even
Yeah.
fucked with that properly.
Yeah, I think we gotta.
Yeah.
Maybe we could extend this and have like just make it be perks and then have this shit drop in the middle or something,
yeah.
right? wanna come in the crew, yeah. I just be sipping a lot, nigga be sipping it. You gotta.
Like that.
I ain't gonna lie, we delegated this time so perfectly because like made a couple songs, you made a couple beats on scratch.
Got a lot done.
Yeah.
Fuck with this part. Some shit I wouldn't normally make as well.
Fuck with her friends though. She wanna come to running the benzo. Say no, dance on. Then she come through when she riding with the tens on. And she know, dance on.
It's completely switches up here.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, it does sound like a different beat.
Yeah, I could keep it in for now, but if you prefer the first part, we could just loop that as well.
Let's loop the first.
You think just that, yeah?
It don't sound right. Let's loop the first.
Alright.
Yeah, she wanna come in the game. Yeah. So look, I'm looking my chain. I got a brand new ring. I got a brand new bitch. She wanna come and check out the wrist. Icing my shit. I don't give a fuck about these bitches. All of my nigga be cut like stitches. We in the cut like stitches. I'm a bitch. I gotta scream in my name. Yeah. The bitch is a 10. She wanna go get her a 10. The bitch is a 10. She wanna go get her a 10. The bitch is a 10. She wanna go get her a 10. I hop off the plane. She see me clear through the lens. Say she with it. I got a brand new band, say she with it. When you wanna dance, say she with it. I got a brand new band, say she with it. Shorty wanna dance, say I'm with it. I got a brand new band, say she with it. Say she wanna come through this.
It's different, isn't it? Got 3 fully different ones today.
Yeah, she wanna come with the gang. Yeah, Icy just look at my chain. She wanna hop in the range, a brand new whip. She wanna switch in the lane. I feel it late night, I gotta scream in my name. The bitch is a 10, she wanna go get her a 10. I hop off the plane, she see me clear through the lens. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey. Yeah.